Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video and I hope all are you enjoying my video and my video is maybe helpful for you and I hope you all are practicing on daily basis. So today topic is how to become fluent in English and without any delay let's get started. If you want to become fluent in English, then must sure that you should practice on daily basis. Okay, if you are practicing on daily basis, then you found that you are more fluent and confident in English because of you are practicing on daily basis. So for anything, like if you want to do anything in your life, then you will have to show that you will practice on daily basis. Okay, it's not matter you want to become fluent in English or you want to become success in your life. Everything want practice and dedication and hard work. If you are doing all this thing, then I'm sure one day you found everything in your life. So just keep this thing in your mind. Become fluent in English, no other way, only you will have to practice. If you are not practicing, then it's very true you cannot make yourself fluent in English. So keep this thing in your mind, just start practicing on daily basis and if in starting many things you don't know, but if you are trying on daily basis, then I'm sure you can do it very easily. So I saw many people who is not good in this thing in English, spoken English, but they are practicing on daily basis and today they are very good in English. Even no, those people who don't know every single word of English, but now they are good in English because they are practicing. They try to make themselves best in this field. So that's why they are too good in this thing. So maybe next you are in this success story. If you are doing this thing, then I'm sure you can do anything in your life. So just believe on yourself, keep practicing on daily basis, keep practicing. I'm always saying keep practicing. If you are doing all these things, then you will find that you are more fluent and more confident in English. Then I hope this video is helpful for you. Bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.